Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-HC39 portable stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this stereo is not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing or syncing with your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, it's not working, you're having sound issues that you're trying to fix, a hard reset can fix a lot of these things. The other reason is, and you'll need to do this either way, is if you want to set this up as a new stereo, maybe you're selling it or buying a used one, or whatever reason where you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, it's really easy to do. We can go ahead and proceed. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and unplug this stereo. Once it's unplugged, we're going to wait for at least 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes is up, we're just going to press and hold the power button while it's still unplugged for several seconds. And then while continuing to hold the power button, we're going to plug in the stereo, all the while continuing to hold the power button until we see along the little display here, it will eventually show up with a bunch of dashes all across the screen, at which point we can let go of the power button, allow it to finish starting up into its factory configuration.